Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm just going to have a quick mini haul. I just went to Sephora and purchased a few things, so I just wanted to share them with you guys, just in case some of them might be, might be on your list that you're trying to get. It's just a few skincare products, so I hope that you enjoy this quick video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell so you'll know when I have my next upload. I hope to see you guys very soon. Take care of yourself and each other. Bye guys. Subscribe, okay? Hey guys. So I'm just here today just to, it's a quick video. It's gonna be so quick. I just got a few things from Sephora, so I'm just here to share them with you guys. So I needed a toner, right? So I got this one here from Laneige. It's called the Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Exfoliating Toner. Right, so this is the package. It's in a nice blue package. Alrighty, and let me show you. Alright, let me show you the bottle. So it's in this nice, I think it's plastic bottle with a blue lid. And let me just let you know some things. I needed another toner because I actually have the Fenty one, but for some reason the last few times that I use it, like around my eyes started to burn really badly, so I put that one to the side for a little bit. So it said for this toner, let me read what it's telling me here. It says, okay, let's try this again. So it's saying that this is a first step toner that helps to exfoliate, gently exfoliate your skin, helping to balance skin and delivers lightweight hydration. So the main features will be to exfoliate and rebalance your skin, and this is for dry to combination skin. It's a little pricey. I'm gonna leave the link down for you just in case you're interested. It's a little pricey, but I'm gonna try it out just to see how it works. The young lady that helped me said that it's really good. So that's one thing. And then I also got a re-up on the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush flawless setting spray, and that's supposed to, if you party all day and party all night, this is supposed to keep your makeup put. So this is the mini one. You guys already know what this one looks like. Let me show you the packaging, but just in case, this is a very good setting spray. I had another one before and I really like it, so I got another one. So I love her packaging, so nice and sleek. So this was only $23 for the mini one. So like I said, this is a mini little shopping thing. And I've been using this one on my face, the Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. So I've been using this on my face and I really like it. So I had a smaller one, and then when I went just now, I got the bigger one because smaller one didn't last for too long. Alrighty, so I love this. It comes in a nice glass bottle. These are good. You can always keep them to use after. And then it comes with the little mini magnetic spatula. This was a pretty good penny too, but because of the other one, I know that it's pretty good and I like how my skin was looking, so I got another one. So you say you can apply to your skin morning or night. Right. So if you guys are looking for a great moisturizer, this is one. And for this one, make sure you avoid contact with your eyes, just in case your eyes are sensitive and you don't want it to burn. So that's the third thing. And then I also got another pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Brow Wiz skinny brow pencil, and my color, I got Granite. Yeah, I really like these instead of the brow, like the what do you call it? The brow pomade. I like using these instead because the pencil, I feel like I have more control with it. I really like these better than the actual, you know, pomade. So that's the other thing that I purchased. And I didn't really buy this one, but you know, since it was my birthday, I always wanted to try the Glow Recipe serum, and they had this one for the birthday gift, you know, the February birthday gift. So I got this one. So in here it comes with two things. It comes with the Glow Recipe niacinamide. This is like, yeah, niacinamide dew drops. Alrighty, so it's only what, 1.5 fluid ounces. So it's the watermelon Glow Recipe niacinamide dew drops. So I've been seeing great reviews on this one, so I'm glad to give it a try. Right, cute little pink, you know, packaging. And then it also comes with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. So this one is a mini toner. Alright, so I'm excited to use these and see how my skin likes it. So that's really all I have to share for you guys today. I hope you're having a great Sunday, because I'm going to try to upload this maybe in about an hour, because my iPod is what I use to upload the video, and sometimes it takes a while. I have to export it from my camera to my iPad and then to YouTube, so it shouldn't be that bad. So that's all I have for you guys today. Like I said, it was a mini haul, but I just wanted to come over and share it with you. Hope you're having a great Sunday, and I hope you have a great work week. I'll see you guys later. Bye.